I would like to thank KSL and congratulate them for installing a 250 kilowatt solar power plant at Prabhu Poly Color as per the timeline promised by them. KSL has been a single service provider for us, wherein they handled all the aspects of the installation, the commissioning, the licenses required, and they explained us in great detail the advantages of the project as well as the challenges which we would face. I would say they have been very patient in answering all our queries, which obviously we had quite a lot of it in abundance. For the reason that even though we've heard a lot about the solar power project and all, but we were not really sure about the details of the inner workings and how exactly it functions. So I'm happy to state that we've been getting the desired output, which they had given us a brief indication of in the short timeline that the plant has been commissioned in. So KSL has been regularly monitoring the output which we've been getting, and they've been taking care of all the maintenance activities, making it completely, I would say, a worry-free area for us, where it gives us the time to concentrate on our core activities rather than on the solar power project. So I would like to personally thank KSL once again for helping us reduce our carbon footprint and letting us do our bit for the planet. So I wish them all the very best and a lot of sunny days ahead.